Greeting extreme individual. I'm a CEO, a salesman from Solar New Energy Technology Company, engaged in solar lighting for 5 years experience. Now let me introduce this new solar lighting product to you, the ST22. The packaging, let me show you this. This product, let me show you. It's the part. The holder and the handle. Okay. It's the information card, warranty card. It has two parts, the mirror and accessories. Okay, for this product, let's see, it can move the mirror 270 degrees and it can move 90 degrees. Okay, and there's the solar panel. It's nice. I think this is beautiful design. Okay, it has rotatable lens cap. You can move it, and it's made of pure aluminate, and using the white, usually in the bad weather, wire application temperature. Okay, and this product you can use the app control. Use your mobile phone Bluetooth to connect this device. Okay, this is the parts of the holder. Let me show you how to use it. Yeah, like this. We can store on the wall and use it like this. And the part of this. Okay. Now this one mesh, we add the name Spot Light 01. Confirmed. Waking up the device in the screen. Okay, now we can open the customer 7. Open this. Then change the color to the 20% or 50% lumen and or 90%. Then one again, we can change the color to the dramatic ROG. Confirmed. Okay, now we can change to the lumen to the 50% or 90%, like this again. Okay, you can check.